before these shows, I like to, amp myself up, and I work out 7 days a week to prepare myself for this Monster Jam tour. And on Wednesdays, I like to work on my chest, get the pectorals.
So everywhere we go on the Monster Jam tour, dirt is different. And sometimes it's really, really dusty, sometimes it's really, really tacky. So I take it upon myself to go around each and every inch of the track and check out and see how much moisture the soil holds. That's good stuff right there. That's good stuff.
Well, before a show, I usually like to just do the usual stuff, to get warmed up, do my hair, whatever.